Hi friends, so if you have any AI image, you need to go to this platform right now. Then you need to scroll down here, then click this place which is written as sell your image. Now you gotta read all these following criteria, like what you needed to do before joining on this platform. And you can see here, you need to be the owner of this image that you're posting on this platform. Then you need to add a description on any image that you're posting on this platform, but do not post offensive content like any picture of a nude person are not allowed on this platform. So after reading all this, now you're ready to go. The good thing about this platform, as you can see here, you can sell your image for $1 up to $3 just by one image. So let's say that you have more than 100 image a day. You can sell more than 100 image and receive more than $100 every single day on the platform. So this is the type of image that you may sell. As you can see here, this is the type of images that are available on this platform. So now I'm going to show you the best way to generate this image, but also how can you really make this money just by selling image on this platform. This is very simple, and the good thing is that this platform is available worldwide, and I will mention all of these websites that you may sell your image and get a reasonable amount of money. So this is our step number one. So before go ahead and start selling these images on this platform, I want you to go ahead and look out like what are the images that are selling fast on these platforms. So right here we have nature images. A lot of people love to buy nature images. So this is our first thing that we need to understand, like what are the images that are selling fast. So we have nature images, then we have fitness image. These are the images also that you can sell in a very easy way and in a very fast way. But also background images, a lot of people, they love to purchase, a lot of people, they love to buy background images online. So right now I'm going to tell you how are we going to create our image and start selling on this platform using AI. This is very simple and it's really going to be very interesting. So this is our step number two. We have to go to create our first image on this platform, which is called Ideogram. So this platform called Ideogram is an AI platform that's going to let us create any image that we want, and we're going to sell this image in a very reasonable price because all the images created on this platform can be pretty amazing. So first of all, before go ahead and join on this platform, you can just sign up with your Gmail account. If you have Gmail account, you don't have to sign up. You can just log in with this Gmail account that you have. So as you can see right here, I just sign in using my Gmail account, and right now we are going to create our first image on this platform. So let's say that we want to create image of these workers sitting at the office having stories and having conversation. So I'm going to tell this platform to create such an image. As you can see here, I'm writing this prompt which says a diverse group of young professionals in office with natural lighting, realistic and HD quality. So this is what I want my image to look like, and as you can see here, this platform is going to generate this kind of image in a very short time, and boom, our image is now ready. As you can see here, our image is so perfect. You can see these people standing at the office, they're having this conversation and all that. So right now, before go ahead and start selling this image that we created from this platform, which is called Ideogram, right now we need to refine this image. We need this image to be so clean. Every AI images, sometimes they don't look so good, so we need this image in very high quality. In order for us to go ahead and clean this image, you can always use Canva, and also there are this platform which is called Photopea. This platform is gonna clean your image to not look like AI image. So after that, you can take this image and you drop down here, and all of this just to make sure that your image look perfect before selling. So after that, you need to download this image, and now we are going to sell this image. All right, so which is a website that I can recommend first to go ahead and start selling this image? Do you remember this first website that I showed in the beginning of this video? This website is called Dreamstime, and you are going to join on this platform and you are going to sell these images for $1 up to $3. So the more images that you have, the more money you'll be in a position to make from this website, which is called Dreamstimes. And there are a lot of people making insane amount of money just by selling image on this platform. And you can sell AI images about nature, you can sell AI image about fitness, you can sell AI image about sports and all that. So right now, let's go to another website that we can be selling this image and make reasonable amount of money. Alright, so this is the next website that you can go ahead and start selling your image. As you can see here, you have to scroll down and you have to click this place which is written as sell your content, and on this you will upload your image right here. Then you can get paid every time someone download your image. So if someone goes to this website and download your image, that means you can get paid from this platform. So you really have to go ahead and join on this platform. And the other website is called Adobe Stock. This is a very trusted and well-known website. You can also go ahead and start selling these images that you have. So what you have to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to scroll down here, then you need to click this place which is written as sell image, and you can sell AI image or any good image that you have. You know, it doesn't need to be an AI image. You can sell any image which is perfect. You can go ahead and sell on this platform which is called Adobe Stock. You know, I've seen a lot of people are making up to $200 a month. I've seen people are making up to $300 a month by selling through Adobe Stock. So these are other websites that you can go ahead and also start selling your image. The other website is called 123RF. The other website is called Alamy, and this other one is very famous. It's called FreePic. So you need to go ahead and start uploading these images that you have and add the other titles like tags and the description. It's very important that every time that you post this image, every time that you upload these images on these platforms, it's very important to write, you know, description, to write title, so that anyone can go ahead and search and your image can pop up easier. So it's very important to mention tags and this type of image that you are uploading on this website. So this is the website, and on this other website that I've mentioned, like Alamy and this other website called FreePic, on this last three websites, you can earn few cents, like 25 cents up to $1 per one image that you are going to sell on this platform. All right, so the really good thing about, you know, this image selling and on these platforms, the good thing is that you can generate as many images as you can. They just have to be so artistically. Let's say that you're going to generate at least 100 images or 500 images. You are going to sell this image for $1 each image. That means you'll be in a position to make $500 up to $2,000 a month. So I really encourage everyone to go ahead and start selling these images and see how much you're going to make through, you know, through this image selling on these platforms which are very trusted. And I just want to say that you really don't have to expect insane amount of money. You're gonna make not a lot of money. You can make $200, you know, $100 here and there, but also if you are really serious about this, you can make up to $500, but you really don't have to think like making a lot of money on this platform. So I really encourage you, really need to be careful on this website. Do not join on a website which I haven't mentioned in this video, because there are other websites that are scamming websites. So you really have to be careful on that. So thanks so much, and I really hope that I can see you next time. Thank you so much.